Today, we're talking about the iBagbar water resistance laptop backpack with, wait for it, a built-in USB port. A backpack is essential for grad students, travelers, and for carrying technology. But a junior high-style backpack won't meet the needs of an adult carrying expensive laptops, drawing tablets, and wares. The iBagbar backpack looks professional and is perfect for on-the-go technology use. The USB charging port is ideal for charging electronic devices anywhere. Made of eco-friendly, waterproof Oxford fabric, it safely holds laptops up to 15.6 inches, papers, books, a thermos, and water bottle within multiple padded compartments on a sturdy framework. Comfortable, soft air permeability padded shoulder straps eliminate back strain and won't wrinkle clothing. The anti-theft zippered pocket is discreet but accessible, holding passports, keys, and wallet, making an ideal carry-on bag. Professional, yet functional and relaxed, making it ideal for professors, teachers, programmers, artists, and web designers who carry equipment and supplies back and forth from work and home, including drawing tablets, iPads, Kindles, and presentation materials. Find this iBagbar laptop backpack at the link in the description and subscribe to Style Chicks for more videos like this one.